Today, we're diving into the world of planking and exploring the incredible benefits of doing a 1-minute plank before bed. Get ready to unlock the transformative power of this simple yet effective exercise. The plank is a fantastic exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including your core, arms, shoulders, and glutes. By incorporating a 1-minute plank into your nightly routine, you can experience remarkable transformations in your strength, stability, and overall fitness level. First and foremost, doing a 1-minute plank before bed will significantly improve your core strength. The plank challenges your abdominal muscles, obliques, and back muscles, leading to a more toned and sculpted midsection. As you consistently perform the plank, you'll notice improved stability and balance. Additionally, the plank is an isometric exercise, meaning you're holding a static position without movement. This helps build endurance and mental resilience, as you push through the discomfort and hold the position for the full minute. Moreover, the plank also activates your upper body muscles, including your arms, shoulders, and chest. By regularly incorporating this exercise into your routine, you'll notice increased strength and definition in these areas. Remember, proper form is essential for an effective plank. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, engage your core muscles, and avoid sagging or lifting your hips. Gradually increase the duration of your plank as you get stronger. To enhance the benefits of the plank, you can experiment with different variations such as side planks, plank shoulder taps, or plank knee tucks. These variations add variety and target different muscle groups. If you're looking to transform your body and improve your overall fitness level, try incorporating a 1-minute plank into your nightly routine before bed. It's a simple yet effective way to challenge yourself and witness amazing changes in your physique. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and exercises. Share this video with friends and family who are interested in the benefits of planking. Together, let's embrace the power of the plank and watch our bodies transform.